Hello Airsoft community, welcome back to my Guerilla Bushcraft channel. Today I would like to show you my new build V70 from the Yugoslavian war. It is some kind of Kalashnikov but with other dimensions than the Russian variante. It is Yugo made by Tito. What you can see is here's the original wood stock. Here we've got the front handguard. We've got here the gas block with the grenade launcher. That is a V70 front side. Here we've got the tubular flash hinder and the original sling from the Yugoslavian army. Also what we're gonna wear today is that is an original Arkan Tiger Force base cap. It is also an original coverall from the Arkan Tigers. It is the well-known lizard camo, what the French troops invented in the Indochina war. And I really like to wear it. And I would like to point out in this video that there's nothing about politicians or whatever. It is just about airsoft and some equipment from the war. That's all. Hope you're gonna enjoy my video and maybe you're gonna get some inspiration to build your own V70, because sad to say there was some couple years ago an LCT V70AB with the folding stock, but it's not available anymore, so I transferred my E&L AKM into this Yugoslavian gun. Later I want to show you how to shoot it, and yeah, let's enjoy the video. Let's have a closer look on the V70, the Yugoslavian Kalashnikov variante. Here you're gonna see that's an original V70 wood stock. That is an LCT hand grip. Here we're gonna have the upper handguard original V70, and here's the part below, also handguard. Here we've got the gas block with the grenade launcher side, and here's the front side from the V70, also with the attached night vision. You can flip it up for night view, and for the rear side you also got it. It was a pretty difficult because here is another attachment as the original E&L AKM, and most difficult was because the Kalashnikov had got another size than the Yugoslavian Z70. You can see the handguard is a bit longer than the AKM one, so I had to remove this part here and this part here and put it a bit more to the front side. And on the other side you could see I attached original Yugoslavian sling. Here I placed an attachment. It was original from M16, but it doesn't matter because I didn't want to melt something on here. And in the front part you can see the gas block has got some attachment for the sling. It is right here, where you can easily attach the sling